Today we're breaking down how we use backlit halo signage to turn SVN Indoor Golf from a retail space into a high-end experience, and how we kept it from rotting in the Malibu salt air. Remember to subscribe.
Let's talk about SVN2 Indoor Golf, both Malibu and Woodland Hills. So we did indoor and outdoor signage for both of their locations. Let's first talk about why choose backlit versus front lit signs. So for SVN Indoor Golf, we leaned into the backlit channel letters because the brand lives in a premium evening environment. Backlit signs create a halo glow that feel architectural and refined, which fits SVN's upscale tech-forward experience. Front-lit signs are louder and more direct, and they're great for value retail, but backlit signage matched the elevated feel that SVN wanted across both its Malibu and Woodland Hills locations, especially once the sun goes down. How does Malibu coast affect signs? So Malibu is a different animal. Coastal air, salt, and moisture are brutal on signage. For SVN Malibu, material choice and construction matter just as much as design. We use corrosion-resistant aluminum, sealed penetrations, and LED systems designed for coastal environments so that the sign still looks intentional 5 and 10 years out, not weathered or blotchy. What's the number one mistake in sign sizing? The biggest mistake we see is designing signs in isolation instead of in context. A logo that looks perfect on a screen can feel undersized once it's on a building. With SVN, we size signage based on real-world viewing distance, building scale, and speed of traffic, not just what fit the wall. That's why their signs read cleanly from the street without overpowering the architecture. Look, Malibu is visible from Pacific Coast Highway, and Woodland Hills is visible on Ventura Boulevard. These are big streets with lots of eyeballs. When should you start sign planning? Well, earlier than most people think. SVN brought us in while leases, facades, and city rules were still being evaluated. This is especially critical in Malibu. Early planning meant fewer compromises, faster approvals, and signage that actually supports the brand when they're opening, instead of reacting to the constraints at the last minute.
Signage isn't just a marker, but a mood setter for your entire facility. If you're building an entertainment space or a franchise, let's plan it early so you don't pay for it twice. Remember to subscribe to Premium Sign Solutions to keep your facilities compliant